you got now?
Number 7.
Number 7. Good job, bud. You gonna get him in?
Yeah.
Keep coming.
He's right there.
There, he's coming, isn't he? There he is. Good job, James. Get him up to the side. Good job.
There he is. White bass.
Huh?
White bass.
Let's see. Yeah. There's James.
Alright guys, I got number 7 of the day here, and it's raining, and he's a nice white bass here. I caught him on the trolling rigs, and this is a real nice one, and I'm gonna let that guy go. And there he goes, and I hope I catch some more fish. And stay tuned.
All right, bud. Good job.
Alright guys, this is a wrap from Lake Pleasant. We got 11 fish today. I got 7 and 1 white bass. And we're gonna troll out of here. And next time I hope we catch some more fish. And it's raining right now. And we're gonna head to the dock and stay tuned.